Well, hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. This is Vlogmas Day 3. So, yeah, we have a lot of yarn today because I also have a knit crate unboxing. So let's get started. Here is my box from Yoka, and I'm going to undo the chain stitches to get to the next bag. Here it is. Bag number 3, and here's what the front of it looks like. And let's take a look at what lighthouse that is. This is in the Zeeland, this is the third lighthouse in the Zeeland province or area. And so let's see. That is number 3, Berg Homestead. And it is right here. So here's the first one, the second one, and the third one. So yes, we are going to take a look at that one again so you can see. That's Berg Homestead. Looks like a candy cane. Perfect for Christmas. So let's see what's inside now. Just little stickers on each of these. Ooh, this one's pretty. This is, oh, this is some of her homespun that is done by her. There you can see it. How pretty is that? It's like barber poled, which is what they call when it kind of does this. How pretty. It's 100% merino wool. Her spinning is so nice and even. Mine tends to have little clumps. I'm not as good at it. Yeah, that is pretty. Really, really pretty. So that is the yarn advent calendar unboxing for today. So now let's take a peek at Knit Crate. Now this is the November Knit Crate, and if you're saying, Katrina, what happened to October? It's still in the works because they sent me, I get 2 boxes. I get one that is an affiliate box, which I get for free, and then I have one that I pay for. So they sent me the affiliate box, and I've actually got it sitting right over here, but they didn't send the one I paid for. So I'm waiting for that to come in, and then I'll do them together, because otherwise you possibly would see the 2 identical yarns, because I don't know what they're gonna send me. So now November and December, I just have 1 box because I looked at the previews of it and it was in a bulkier yarn, and I didn't want to pay for bulky yarn. If they want to send it to me for free, that's great. But for something that I'm going to pay for myself, I don't use bulky yarn a whole lot. If I do use it, it's to make things for craft sales. So I guess what I should tell you what I'm wearing right here. This is actually one of my designs. This is Little Holes in the Bias. It is a paid for pattern over on Lovecrafts. And it has like some texture. It doesn't show up as much in this one. I've made 3 of these. So the little slice things that go across here don't show up as well, but well, there you go, you can see them. So yeah, put that back on, nice and warm. Anyway, so they are going back to boxes. There's been some changes with Knit Crate. They are going back to letting you choose the color, and I believe that starts in January. I think it's January, when you can actually start picking the color vibe again. So you get a choice of neutrals, more vibrant colors, or cool tones. And so you can pick your own color and you can swap from month to month. So the Knit Crate box itself is $29.99, and then there is shipping on top of that. Here in the US, by the time you pay the shipping, it's just shy of $38 by a couple of cents, which is not cheap, which is why if it's not something I like, I'm not going to, or you can swap a month, or you can skip a month, which is what I'm doing for November and December. So let's look at what November's is. First off, they sent me, the theme is called Tea Time, and it says, would you care for a cup of tea? Yes, please. Our tea time theme this month offers a cup of comfort in a variety of colorful shades. From the delicate colors found on fine china to the bolder shades of both steamy, hot, and refreshing iced teas, you're sure to have a delightful afternoon cozying up with this month's yarn. Hold your own tea party as you sip and stitch these autumn days away. And this is what the back looks like. So it's got all these little teacups. And here is, let me cover the code here. Okay, there I can show you. These are the different patterns, which I'll talk about in a minute. You get 2 crochet patterns and 2 knit patterns. It's a knit pattern, a crochet pattern, and then a knitted sock pattern and a knitted or a crocheted sock pattern. Now the sock yarn will not work for this because this is a bulky yarn. So let me show you what I got. The color choices again were these 4 right here. These are the sock yarns if you ordered a sock package. The sock package is a little bit cheaper, but it's only 1 skein of yarn, where this one you get 2. So again, that is the 4 color choices. And I'm very happy to say that I got the purple. So it is purple, but it's got like other colors there. You can see it really well. Other colors in it, and this is probably, I'm thinking, a 6 weight. Just looking at it, it's like super bulky. It's beyond like regular bulky. There you can see it. And it is Uru yarn, and the type of base it is on is called Cozy. So there you can see that. And this is called Butterfly Pea Flower. And this is, and here we go, it's 2 types of alpaca. The Surrey, I can pronounce that one really easy. And the Huacaya, we'll go with that one. Anyway, it's 45% of each of those. And then 10% stellina. It is a super bulky weight, so yes, it is a 6. And when I say stellina, that's sparklies. It's not like in your face sparkly. I don't know if I can make it sparkle or not. I'm sitting here looking at it. It's not like sparkly, like lots of glitter type of thing. It just has little pops every so often. So it's not a huge amount. I would not have guessed it even had stellina in it. Here you can see a little piece. I just saw a little bit. It's like a little iridescent thread running through here every so often. But it's really not that much. It's not enough to really show up, which is kind of good. I like stellina. I think it's pretty and sparkly, but it does tend to feel scratchy, and this is extremely soft. So yeah, it's not showing up. It's like I said, the little teeny bit of stellina that's in here. It says 10%, but I really don't see it in there that much. Once in a while, I'll see a little teeny, like a little filament. I can see it in the bright light. Maybe it's right here. I can see, see if I can get it to do it. See that little teeny bit right in here? And there's a little over here. That's about the extent of it. Really not that sparkly, but that's fine. Yeah, so this is pretty. So now let's look at the patterns. The crocheted pattern that they have is called the Orla Cowl, and that is by Sarah Korth, like North but with a K. And the knitted is called Ripple's Headband, and that is by Cairo Romagara. Romagara? I think that's right. Cairo Romagara, and that's the Ripple's Headband. Now the 2 sock patterns, like I said, they will not work with this weight of yarn, but if you got the sock kit, you would get those 2 patterns in it. So you can use it with sock weight yarn, but you get 2 patterns. So the knitted one is called the Torpor Socks, and that's by Cynthia Levy. And the crocheted version is called the Snuggle Socks by Kim Driggs. So I did like all of the 4 patterns that came this month. So sometimes they don't send a book. I wish they go back to the book. But anyway, they send them with a code on them that I'm covering up, where you can go online and download the patterns. So a lot of times, if it's not a pattern I like, I'll just show you all the picture, but I won't download the pattern because it's not something I would ever make. But I did download all 4 patterns this month because those are really pretty. And they also sent a goodie in here. I forgot to tell you this. Because the theme is tea time, they sent a tea sample. It's called Tea with Tay. And this is called Winter Bliss. Here's the little package. It says it comes in a sachet. I have not opened it. There it is. It says it comes in a sachet, but I think I'm going to hold off opening it so I don't have loose tea going all over the place. Although I want to smell it. Should we smell it? I can always stick it in a Ziploc bag if it's loose tea. Let me see. Oh no, it is in a sachet. So here it is. Oh, it's one of those triangular sachets too. Those are cool. So here it is. And let me smell it. Oh, there's like a chunk of coconut in there. Mmm, it smells like chocolate. And it has that kind of undertones in here apparently, because it has, let's see, what did it say the scent was? I read this someplace. Winter Bliss. Okay, it has tan white tea. It says Pie New Tan White Tea, Ceylon Black Tea, Chinese Green Tea. I'm not a green tea drinker, but it's mostly black tea, so I think we'll be okay. I always thought green tea tastes like you're drinking something strained through grass clippings. I don't know. Not into the green tea. It has almond and coconut flakes. Yes, I saw the flake of almond in there. Or coconut. One of the two. Coconut. I don't know if you can see it or not. This little blob right there. That's inside the tea bag. There you can see it. And you can see some of it is a little green. So anyway, what else is in here? Okay, almond and coconut flakes, cinnamon chips, infused with chocolate, almond, and hazelnut flavors. It smells like chocolate. It really does. Or cocoa butter. It smells like, yeah, smell-o-vision. If only that really worked, but yeah. So I'm going to stick this back here. I think this might be not tomorrow or the next couple days because I will be going to work, but a day when I can actually sit down and enjoy this. Maybe Friday. I'll get around to that. So yeah, so that is Tea with Tay. So I think you can probably go online and order this from them. What else it say? Tea with Tay seasonal collection. That's what this is. It does have caffeine in it. And it's mostly a black tea because it has under tea, it says black. So, which is my favorite. I like black tea. I like it good and strong with a good punch and then lots of sweetness to it. So anyway, that is today's video. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that little red button down below. And if you hit the little bell-shaped icon next to it and then click all, that lets you know anytime I post a video, which this month is every day until the 25th. So each day you can come back and see what kind of yarn I'm getting from Yoko. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.